Hey, my name is James Mason with Transparent Traders. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 stocks for April 15th that I will be watching at the open to see how they trade and to see if I can make a momentum trade based off of what they do when the market opens up. So before we go any further, all I ask is for you to subscribe to my channel and let other people know about me and what we have going on at Transparent Traders. For the ones who don't know yet, I offer a 40 video course teaching you how to trade, how I trade actually, and very detailed, so it's something that you need to take time on. It's actually up in the playlist section, so check it out. So let's get into it. Alright, this first ticker EIX. Looking at it on the daily chart, and I will zoom in for you right here. Here we go, we got this massive candlestick on the daily chart. It completely reversed right here on the MACD, which is outstanding. So this thing has the positive momentum for a long position. And let's see, this first resistance is sitting right at $68. So, depending on how this opens up Monday morning, that is how I would try to trade it. I would look, in a perfect world, I would actually look for a pullback in the morning and try to wait until the pullback started coming back up, and then take call options and try to ride it up. And I would see how it responded right here at the $68 mark. Now, once it breaks the $68 mark, it has the potential to go up here to $70 with the annual high at 71. For the next one, this is ticker BHVN. So BHVN, and same thing right here, massive candlestick on the daily chart. And what I would be looking for is the same thing. I would wait till the market open, see if it pulls back some, and try to catch that dip. But at the same time, I'd make sure I bought contracts that still had a significant amount of time left in it, just in case if it kind of consolidated a little bit before it ran. As you can see, same thing right here, completely reversed on the MACD on the daily chart. And this one, in my opinion, could turn out to be pretty good trade. Just, it is at a annual high right here, but overall, it has that bullish momentum behind it. For the next one, this is a bearish trade. This is ticker PBR. So don't mistake that with your grandfather's PBR. This is PBR. This is for, this is the oil and gas industry. So here we are on the daily chart. This nice gap down right here. And you can see where it closed, pushing through that bottom Bollinger Band, and a complete reversal on the MACD as well. You can see the RSI pointing straight down. So this one right here, I would look to see how this one opened and try to catch it, make some money off this one. This doesn't have too much meat on it, but still nonetheless, you can make money. For the next one, this is ticker CEDT. So here we are, let's zoom in a little bit. This is kind of the same situation. This one only has a PPS of $13. But again, here on the daily chart, pushing down through that bottom Bollinger Band, complete reversal on the MACD. Everything's looking good for a short at this moment. And, the next significant support right here is around 1250. And this thing has pretty good potential to keep dying off on the daily chart, as you can see right here. But again, this is something that, depending on how it opens up, I take a position in it, probably day trade it, maybe swing trade it into the next day. If I had a profit the next day, I'd sell. I wouldn't care what else it does. And for the last one, this is ticker HUM. This is another bearish play, and currently it just met its annual low at 251 right here. As you can see, the same thing, pushing through the bottom Bollinger Band, complete reversal on the MACD, and we are pointing down. Now the thing I'll watch out for this one right here is it is getting close to this 30 on the RSI, and you can see, you know, it dips below it barely right there, and also right here. So that would be kind of what I'd be concerned about at this moment. And if I could, I would actually want this one to go up a little bit, see where it kind of starts struggling at, and then I would try to short it. I would try to keep this one limited to a day trade at best. But if I turn it into a swing trade, I wouldn't hold this no more than one day. So that's what I see for April 15th. There's 5 trades. Again, those are tickers EIX, BHVN, PBR, CNDT, and HUM. So I appreciate you guys taking your time to watch this, and I will see you in the next one.